Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. These are the tools you'll need to change your oil. You'll need a 17mm socket or wrench. You'll need an oil filter wrench. This is a cup style for the exact size of regular Honda oil filters, but if it's a slightly different size, you might need an adjustable oil filter wrench like this, or there are other styles available as well. And to remove the engine undercover, you'll need a Phillips number 3 bit. It might help to be on a power tool. The Civic takes 3.9 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic oil. You don't need a 5-quart jug like this. This is just what I happen to have. Also need an oil filter. It's always good to replace the ring on the oil drain plug. And you want some disposable gloves because used oil is not good on your skin. And to clean up, you'll need some rags or paper towels and some solvent or brake clean. You'll also need an oil drain pan, a funnel to fill the oil, and some way to lift the car, either some ramps to drive the front up on, or a jack and jack stands. With the car lifted, it's time to open the hood. The hood release is in the driver's foot area. The secondary hood release is right under the center of the hood. Remove the oil cap. To drain the oil, we first have to remove this engine undercover. There are 4 Phillips number 3 bolts. I'm actually missing one already. If you look at the cover, this portion slides above the plastic, and then there are tabs that go in the 4 other spots when you put it back on. The oil drain plug is right here, and the oil filter is right here. So loosen the drain plug with the 17mm. Get the drain pan in place and take out the drain plug. While that's draining, you can replace the washer on the drain plug. And then loosen the oil filter. Once it's drained out a bit, you can take it all the way off. Get your new oil filter, get a little bit of clean oil on your finger and wet down the O-ring. And then install it on the engine. When the oil is finished draining, this is just to a trickle, it's not quite to just dripping, but it's good enough. Put the drain plug back in. And tighten it. Clean off the oil. Then put the cover back on. Now fill the engine with 3.9 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic. Put the oil cap back on. Now start the engine and let it run to circulate the oil. Turn it off. Pull the dipstick, wipe it off, stick it back in, pull it out again, and make sure you have the right amount of oil in there. Now to reset the oil life, press the menu button on the steering wheel. That brings up this screen. You have up and down, left and right here. So go up to vehicle information, press the middle button, then press it again for maintenance info. Now press the middle button again. Ask if you want to reset. Press down to yes. Press the middle, and it's reset. Then press menu to exit. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.